Water, mold. With over 75 years of combined experience in water mitigation, fire restoration, and mold remediation, our certified technicians are here to help. So if you have an emergency water loss or fire, make Summit Restoration your first call. We will respond 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and work directly with you and your insurance provider. But don't just take our word for it. Please visit our website and check out our testimonials. Masters of our trade, specialists in customer service. Tell your insurance provider that you prefer Summit Restoration.